bounds.
You keep on saying bomb maker, but is it a hostage mission or is it a kill mission?
Liam, we have to escort.
Dead or alive?
Okay, dead or alive, doesn't matter.
Man,
Or
that really
Americans,
sucks
take 'em
some
out.
cheeks.
What?
Yeah, my gun is all left up. I'm gonna straight up get
Do you
that
have a team?
No.
Want to join us?
Sure.
To the
Americans on me!
Did you say American?
Yeah.
I thought you said a match.
Jones over here, guys. I just want to see what I got. If you're with me to hold the good people, let me know. Hey. Are we starting from here? Are we starting from here? Alright. I dropped 2 married, so I'm going to be running far. So, I can run, I just want to drop it. What? Do not shoot the drone that's taking pictures of us. Alright, you guys, I'm going down to the base. When the game starts, you know what to do? Yeah, I'm going for it. Everybody else knows what to do too, right? Yeah. Alright. They know? Everybody knows where to get the guy. Whatever he is.
We need zip ties. Okay, now something inside No, don't light it up. It won't do anything.
We need a
No, we don't want to jog, a light jog, you know?
So wait, so who got long range weapons?
Yeah. Kaden has semi-long.
You got that,
You good?
So me and Katie.
I guess. They took my gun.
Alright,
You
you got,
did?
that's
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's something about trade-in, but I still paid $5.
Is that what he said?
Alright, so we're gonna have you up front, okay? You're gonna go breach and we're gonna go front, alright? He's gonna go in with you, have the zip tie.
You know, I'm just gonna be a bold action sniper.
So is that yours now, or are you gonna get your gun back?
I'm getting my gun back.
Oh, he's just giving you for now?
Yeah. And I lost my schmuck. This has been a
Hey,
terrible.
be careful. This might go.
yeah, the batteries in this, unless you have the stock batteries, they don't fit perfectly.
My batteries are right here.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah, because you were cheap.
Probably because, you know, I gave them my JGM4. They're like, hell, we'll give you a better one.
It's like you should actually know the rails on it.
No, dude, I'm getting that Mag
Dude,
4.
my friend has that same gun. He just got it. The G&G. It's a nice
I'm
gun.
so getting that Mag 4.
All I know is I'm changing the rail. I don't want to get it. I'm just gonna get it. Because it shoots like an hour. I know.
I felt so OP posting up on that
We're bomb squad.
Suicide Squad.
Hey, bud.
US com check, double checking.
You guys
Comms on, guys. Turn your comms on if you got them.
This ought to be fun.
Hey, what's our time to start? Sorry, what's our time for starting?
You guys be up in
VIP is this guy.
Copy. We're gonna break up. Drone team with me is gonna go straight for the drone. Other team's gonna go for the Haji.
Yeah, I got some.
I keep it on semi and give us some coming because the Russians are gonna probably get into this. Wait, are the Russians gonna try to steal them too?
Yeah.
Are we fighting for them?
There's more than one hostage. Or guy.
That's gonna be easier than
The guy that's dressed up as a Haji, like, he's not gonna be at Village. He's gonna be somewhere else. So the guy at Village, I don't know what he looks like, but he'll be there. The drone, as soon as we get the first guy, we can go support the drone squad. And if we get that, we can get the second hostage also.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Alright, so
We need zip ties. I got them.
Oh yeah, but he should be close according to that.
Technically, they're my zip ties. Loser.
The hostage guy should be close to the.
I'm gonna still go to the drone.
How can the guy like pull up on us?
Yeah, okay. And also, guys, the
All right,
guy,
go, guys.
the guy with the white outfit.
Go, go, go.
The guy with the white outfit has a throne.
There.
Oh yeah, son's great.
Wait, is this the map?
It's the whole map.
He has a gun.
Are we starting right now?
Yeah.
Yes, we've been started.
Oh, okay.
Don't shoot him. We need him alive.
We have to surrender him. We can't kill him.
Watch the cargoes.
There we go.
And don't shoot him, dude.
Don't shoot him.
Hey, what does he look like?
Hey,
Don't know.
we don't know what he's like.
There's a guy in here.
Stack on me. I need a stack.
Other side.
I think he's over there.
Check that. Check that.
Clear.
What?
You gotta take him back to base, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, sir.
Get the diamond and let's get down the road.
Diamond, hostage in middle.
Hey, hostage. Oh, yeah, we have to defend them. If we get shot, we lose. So someone drop a radio. Good back to go, dude.
Hey, watch the bushes. They have gillies.
He looks friendly enough. Wait. Red team.
Watch out for Reds to the front.
Hey, watch the road.
You knew it.
10-4. Watch out for Reds coming in.
Is this a pass right to the right?
When you get a team up there, cover where we're going and then.
Hey, get the hostage back here. We don't want. Hey, hostage back. Hostage back.
That's just stop. Stay where we are.
Oh yeah, we have red by pipe.
Spread by pipe.
No contact, dude.
Bring hostage.
We're good right now.
Keep him in the middle. Hey, check both road sides.
Hey, keep.
Hey, people on the right and people on the left.
Stay on the side of the road.
Check bushes.
You got gillies.
All shrubbery.
All shrubbery. I'll tell you, that could be the other.
Check that real quick.
Wait, where do we have to go?
Our base.
Isn't base back there?
No, base is up there. Oh. We could follow down this and take a left, right.
Or we could just. Oh, yeah, we could just.
Oh, we
Hey!
got our original base?
Hey, take hostage through the air.
Where do we have to escort him again?
Base.
Yeah, we move it through woods.
Hey, this is where they can ambush us. It's the best spot.
Yeah, I know. So we need people surrounding him.
Yeah. Watch. Okay, this squad go in first. So we can get. Alright. Watch left. They're more likely to come from the left side.
Remember Gillies? Just keep on for Gillies.
Guys, there's a big group coming from the woods. Get that left side.
Alright.
I
hear
highly
stick
doubt they'll
breaking
come
over
from the
here,
right side. Get them to the left. Alright. Keep moving up. I can get base, someone holler.
Keep on going to the base.
I think we might have taken everything. To right up here, I think. Yeah. So right up here, then the left. We have to get on this road.
Oh wait,
Yeah, that's base over there, I think.
is there guys over there?
That's our base.
Alright, guys, secure the base.
Hey, we taking them right?
Yeah, take them right, get more cover.
Alright, take hostage, right road. Right road.
We have the base secured almost. Yeah, you guys can keep going left, bro. We'll meet up. We'll meet up.
that way.
Hostage coming left.
We got US.
Alright. US.
Drone, you know where it's at, right? Play up the road, scream out for you.
Yeah, we got the drone too.
Got the drone. Let him go through.
There's more than one hostage, you have to find the other one.
Oh,
I think they're taking contact back over there.
what's that? Hey, we have one more hostage.
I believe so.
I just sent him out that way. If you guys want to go out and support him.
Daniel, sir.
I mean, I would rather not have everybody go out, but where are they?
So it's right at the back of the
There's our
pipes.
scientist.
We got the mad scientist.
Oh, back up. Pipe.
Also, USS mad scientist.
And where's the Haji at?
He's still out there.
He's probably straight out.
Who?
Straight out.
Hey, we need to split teams up.
Oh, yeah,
Hey,
Haji squad.
Tundra, go right. Tundra.
Okay.
Drone team,
Drone team, we're moving. Alright. Weapons live. Tundra, hurry! This way. Contact. Weapons live. Where's my... What? Hey, watch for ambushes. They're heading now into their territory. We're gonna be probably fucked. We're literally heading right into them. We just don't keep heading. Stick to sides of the road. Don't stay right in the middle. Stick to sides. Got the chatter. Contact. These are friendly. Yeah. He walked by me. Blue, raise your hand. Blue. I think that's what went first. Yeah. Where'd you say it was, coordinates? I-11, it's right at the back of the pipe. Let's check right in the buses. We can split. Split? Yeah, we need Tundra right. Alright. Nice, we got World War II guy. Yeah. So.
Red.
Contact! Call out your team!
There's more following him.
Hit! Defense.
There's more movement. I think they got him. Yeah, they got him. I saw him escorting him out. They're taking him to the base now.
Alright. They're on left. Yeah, I can see the red flag up there. I see a red flag.
Right there. On top of their castle.
Yeah.
Base?
Yeah, base right there. I know they said no spawn trapping, but technically we're not.
They have the Haji, I think, maybe.
Are we even allowed to infiltrate?
I think so.
Yeah, I see moving over there. They're coming
Is
over.
that their base?
Yeah.
Is there one
I
right
see
there?
red up there. Oh, yeah, that's contact.
Let's contact! 12 o'clock!
Move up, move up! Look for Haji!
12 o'clock!
Taking fire, taking fire!
Like in the World
Jesus.
War II.
I saw it started bouncing off the freaking bus. I was like, oh shit.
Supporting fire! Move up!
Suppressing fire!
Suppressing fire!
Moving up.
Those?
Yo, who's left? Yeah, blue right here by
Blue.
bus.
Hey, push up, push up!
We're pushing up to base! Pushing up to base!
Blue, blue, pushing up! Blue!
They're blue are taking contact somewhere in
Yeah, they're
there.
getting contact on left. These are just
Hey, no,
all
push
ready.
up, push up, push up.
We got teammates over on far right. You want to flank these dudes?
Yeah.
Okay. Trail. Tangle's down. Do some contact. I hear him on right. Okay, I think they got dude on right. Contact rate. Oh shit, there's more and more. Contact, contact!
Blue! I hear talking over there. There's contact over there as well.
Straight ahead, straight ahead. Flank it. Where they at? Do it around.
Where they at? Is that red? Hey, red!
I got contact. Blue, blue.
Multiple contacts up by the
Hey,
car.
red. That's red. That's red. You see him?
Oh shit, there they are. Oh
Hey,
fuck.
reloading, reloading.
They got their hands up.
Got your cover.
Their hands are up.
Hey, we need to attack there.
Alright.
They're just flooded.
Copy, let's go.
Hey, I think we can go, need to go from there.
Are they shooting at us? No. Hey, stay low.
Go, 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 go.
Don't go that way. Then everyone go this way.
Hey, somebody move up.
Go, Al.
Friendlies.
Look for Haji. Don't shoot him.
We just stepped on a squeaky toy.
They haven't lined on the hill.
Yeah, they got bunkers up there, I believe.
Dug in there.
How far can we move up before they...
You can probably move up to that hill.
I think we're out of range for now.
They're on. Hey, Tangle's on top hill. Hey, look at that left building.
Go.
Go, 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 go!
Move up, Blue.
Flanking left, copy.
Where's visual? Visual.
Wait, blue or left on, or blue or red on left?
Left, blue.
Hey, blue. The black?
We're rushing over there, I think.
He's my friend.
No, we're all blue.
No, I'm saying over there. We have guys rushing.
That's it.
We can try and move up far left.
Keep moving.
If we move far left,
Keep going left. Keep going.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Covering fire!
Watch it, watch it, watch it.
Keep going,
Go
keep
to that
going.
barrier.
Don't stop. Be careful crouching up, the BB won't reach. Here. Oh, fuck, I hate this.
We gotta get damage.
Hey, I need better cover. Where's good? There.
There's one guy sitting behind a tree.
I see two guys up there. Oh shit. No. There's one guy up there at that barrier. At your 12.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run out of ammo, shit. I guess I'm gonna go semi. Hey, move up, push, push!
The guys, two guys behind me.
Hey, what?
Ha! We got reds far on that hill. Fresh smell of.
They're like in front of us. I know. Their BB's not even reaching me. We're at the bottom of the hill trying to push up. Bottom of the hill trying to push up. Hey, you. Move to that tree line. Hey. Hey. Where? Where you want to move? Back.
Logan, nice trail. Do you guys hear that?
They're on the left side.
Alright.
All my friends flanking though. Yo, my friend's pinned down right now. Hey!
I don't reach far enough.
I think we can push up a bit. Go to me later. Yeah. Where do I go? Back to spawn?
Either back to the DMZ or our base.
Hey, what's your name? Austin. Alright. I'll give this to you when I'm done with it.
Woo! Yeah. Yeah, blue.
Enemy is straight ahead.
Alright. We'll flank them.
Loading. Moving back. Hey, they're pushing. Low on ammo.
That.
Got him. My bad.
Oh. Yeah.